Welcome everybody. What the heck is going on here? Haven't been here in a while. Din Tai Fung is open or? Anyways, they got a portable charger here. Never had one here. Look great. I've been just went to Disney World. Back home here at Disneyland. Oh, you know what? They're testing. That's what's going on in there. Anyways, we're gonna have a full Pixar. It's Pixar Fest. I haven't seen this. I want to see the fireworks. We'll be here all day. Try that huge taco that they have in where was that? In California Adventure, and just have a full, beautiful Disneyland day. Today's Saturday, mid-June. Let's see what's going on here. Yuck! I forgot about the de-theming of the Jazz Kitchen. Wow! Last time I was here, this was the construction area. Looks beautiful. Very nice. What a big difference from what it used to be. Nice shade. Got a Polynesian vibe to it, actually. And it is full too. Wow. As a man who loves nostalgia and Back to the Future and 1955 and all that, when you see this, I get just such an amazing feeling. First things first, the best store. Let's go check it out. Ooh. Wow. Oh, this is all new stuff. Ooh. Wow. How much is this thing? $40. I love it. And this mirror. Wow. $40 too. Wow. Wow, this feels so cozy. How much? Ooh, $85. You know, if Disney could throw this stuff in a room to theme it like this, it would be top notch. $50. Ooh, wow. I love all this stuff. Wow. A little drawer. Wow. I love the Thomas Kincaid art. Who's here? Dirk Wonderly. He's like the main guy now. Ooh. Yeah. I love art. Wow. Very nice. I don't remember this one either. Or this. Yeah, this is a new one. This has got to be a new one. Wow. Holy moly. This is stunning. Wow.
We salute the United States Army.
What a beautiful Disneyland day. You know, this thing, I don't really care. I don't care either way. It's fine. There's a lot of people talking about this thing looking ugly. It looks fine. Whatever. I want to see through it. So pretty. The Coco guitar bucket. Huh.
Appreciate it.
No, I shouldn't. Oh, I forgot Fantasmic is back. I can't wait to see the dragon. When you wish upon a star. You know, I'm really here for food and just hanging out, you know? That's the big thing when you're past older. It's all about the food and just hanging out. So let's see what we get into here. Beautiful. Look how empty the line is for Peter Pan. All the lines are really short today. It's a Saturday. Oh, you know what? The passes, all the other ones are blocked out, I think. That's what's going on. Oh, okay. Nice. For me. I want to see what food stuff is going on over here. Shobudar Tavern, but I got this. This is a big deal, I heard. Let's see. What's going on here? Huh. I love that car. Oh man, this is so cool. Wow. That is so cool. Very nice. Wow. Wow, they're hiding back here. I didn't know they were here. Wow, that's so cool. Luca, that's a great movie too. Yeah, this popcorn bucket is sick. That is cool.
Folks would ask you that you refrain from smoking, gambling, and
Best ride. 15 minutes for Pirates. That's great. Wow. What a great feeling. That song. Alright, I'm heading to California Adventure for some food. Wow. Beautiful. Alright, I've made it to California Adventure. Now it's time to start eating. You know, these food booths, I haven't tried them yet, but from everything I've seen, they look pretty lame. So I don't think I'm going to try any of the food at the food booths. We are here to try the pesto chicken handmade pie. On the app, it doesn't show it's available, but in person it is. You know, this thing is pretty big. And it's about, after my Inspire Key discount, it's about the same price as those little bites at the food booths. But this is very, very flaky. Smells really good, like Parmesan. It's hot. It seems fresh. Take a bite. It's cheesy, flaky. I taste some pesto, Parmesan. That sauce is so smooth and has a hint of sweetness. This is real good. This is probably the best thing you can get right now. Like from a booth-ish place. Out of all the booths, I bet you this is the best thing that is very similar to a booth food, you know? The bread is like a croissant, flaky and light. So nice. Man, that was really good. It's a bit spicy too. Very impressed. All right, let's go get this huge taco salad from Pym Test Kitchen. What a useless land this is. Hopefully this food is good. Ooh, oh my God, that's huge. All right, this thing is huge as a taco, but if you think of it as a taco salad, it's about the right size, with maybe even a little less filling. Like Rancho de Zocalo, it had a big taco salad. This is actually, I think, if you shape it into that, it's actually might be even a little smaller than that. Anyways, it looks really good. Let's dig in, shall we? Ooh. I hope the dressing is good. I mean, that's the whole thing, really. The dressing. That's very good. Very fresh. not lemony. It's like almost has a hint of chipotle and like avocado crema. That's very good. Oh. The question is this better than the tostada salad that they used to have at Rancho de Zocalo? The answer is yes. Ooh, it's got corn in there too. Yeah. It's very similar. The chicken is better. I like the dressing better. Very good. Yeah, that's a good one. The problem with the Rancho de Zocalo salad was the lettuce was like shredded lettuce and it was very little of it in it. And with beans and other stuff. There's like whole romaine pieces, so you get a nice lettuce crunch. Very good. It's the chicken. Man, I'm 2 for 2 so far. Really good dishes I've had. I devoured that thing. But up next, I'm gonna go to Aunt Cass's Cafe and get a what is it called? Japanese cheesecake. Here it is, the Japanese cheesecake, and it looks glorious. I tell you, it is served cold. It looks nice and fluffy, but really moist. I am impressed. I've never had Japanese cheesecake before. Of course, I got my cup of Earl Grey tea. Earl Grey is the best tea you're gonna get. It is definitely more cakey than regular cheesecake. Oh. I'm still gonna eat that. Oh man, that is the moistest cake you'll ever have with the flavor of cheesecake. Wow. Oh my goodness. 3 out of 3. Everything I've got today has been amazing. Wow. You know what's great about this? It's not crazy sweet either. It's got an amazing flavor. And Red Panda. That's a great movie too. Devoured. Unbelievably good. Pixar Palace Parade, when I was sitting there and it was playing, it was just 15 minutes straight of you, me, get it together, just constantly. You, me, get it together, you, me, get it together, you, me, get it together, Anyways, I'm stuffed. My stomach has ballooned like an American cheesecake, and this requires a stroll through the beautiful Grizzly Peaks and the lounge in the Grand Californian. Beautiful. You know what this is like? It's like being at Lookout Key without the flies. See that all beautiful water? I'm so funny. This always reminds me of this area. Lord of the Rings. The first one, where what's his name? Frodo's sitting under the tree, and then Gandalf makes his entrance in that carriage. That's the feeling I get here. It's so beautiful here, this little corner. If it wasn't for the sound of these things going up, it would be really nice and peaceful. But it's fine. It's still beautiful. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. If you've never stayed at the Grand Californian, you're missing out, even as a local. It's an unbelievable feeling that changes the whole time, that changes the whole feel of coming to Disneyland. It is the best place. They have sunscreen and after sun here. This is amazing. time to read a little Harry Potter and relax over here. Poolside, amazing. That was so relaxing. It's time to go into the Grand Californian, explore the shop a little bit, and then head to watch the Pixar Palace fireworks and then Fantasmic. Ooh, look at those birds. Oh yeah. Yeah, you know, I thought, you know, this place compared to Wilderness Lodge would really pale, but after staying here and making that connection and memories, it is a really nice place to stay. Still prefer Wilderness Lodge, but this is real nice still. I don't see anything new since the last time I was here. Yeah. I don't remember this pin though. That's nice too. Have to come sit. The music is so good. Gonna get this limited time Earl's Pastrami. They have Earl Grey lemonade here. Wow. All right, here it is, the pastrami. I added lettuce and tomato. Ooh-wee. $8.99. Lettuce, quarter more. Tomato, a quarter more. So they charge 50 cents for that. Wow, that looks beautiful. Sauerkraut, all kinds of stuff in there. Bread is fresh. Alright, we're gonna take a bite of this beauty. Let's see what it tastes like. Wow, this thing tastes so smooth. It does not taste like store-bought. It tastes like it's house smoked pastrami. The sauce, everything about it is so good. For a limited time, so definitely got to get this. All right, made it back into Disneyland. It is almost 9. Fireworks are at 9:30. Fantasmic is at 10:30. And nighttime is the right time, you know. I'm excited to see all the effects for the fireworks. Like I said in my older videos, when what was that last fireworks show they had here that everybody was going crazy for? Wondrous. But that was overrated. Nice projections, but other than that, I wasn't too impressed with the effects. But having stuff coming up the roof and all that, just like Disneyland Forever, that's the good stuff. Especially when I'm used to happily ever after when I go to Disney World. That's the good stuff. So excited to see this. And you know what's tough is picking between seeing this on Main Street or seeing that from Galaxy's Edge with the Star Wars music, you know? I want to see that too. But we'll do that next time. I really want to see this more right now because that'll be just music, but Star Wars music, which is amazing. But I want to see all the effects and stuff, and I know there's stuff going to come off the roof and everything, so let's check it out. Now it feels like Disneyland with the music of Fantasmic going here. It was missing sorely, you know? Yeah. Peter Pan's back. Woo!
My name is Doug. I just met you, and I love you. Squirrel!
Chief B. Sullivan.
Mike Wazowski. Listen, it's quite delightful meeting you, but I have to study my scare.
You don't need to study scaring, you just do it.
Beautiful.
Hey, what you doing? Can I help you? Hi, I'm Dory.
Oh.
Boing, 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 you can't hurt me.
I'm waiting.
I'm here.
Beautiful.
I'm Sadness. Oh, hello. I'm Joy. I'm too sad to walk. Oh. Does your friend like playing?
Good afternoon. My name is Russell.
Woo!
what a way should be. One without the other don't mean nothing to me. Nothing to me.
I've never met nobody like you. Have friends and I've had buddies. It's true, but they don't turn my tummy the way you do.
When it all ends, I'll have old Buzz Lightyear to keep me company. For infinity and beyond.
Beautiful. That's kind of like how Epcot used to end during the holidays with reflections. Beautiful. I love it. The stuff they added was great. I wish there was snow. Every fireworks should have snow. Fake snow. I had a great time. I didn't see the house flying by. They used to do that. I don't know. It was just off tonight, or they just took it out. I don't know. Anyways, that was awesome. That was so good. Of course, Happily Ever After is still the best, but at Disney World. But yeah, this was awesome. Still Disneyland Forever. It was the best one here before. So cool. That's pretty cool. Still has stuff going on the walls. Traffic jam when you're already late. On your cigarette plate. Gonna hang out, sit here. Most beautiful spot in Disneyland for 15-20 minutes, and then head to the Fantasmic area as it starts. Beautiful. What a vibe. Paradise. think reading by the firelight is probably the greatest thing I've ever done. This is the best place to read, I think. I think I found it. This is the spot. This is the spot right here. I'm hoping Tiana's Bayou Adventure feels like this.
Welcome to Fantasmic. Tonight, our friend and host
words.
Mickey Mouse uses his vivid imagination to create magical imagery for all to enjoy. In a moment, you can...
you quite realize what you've got here. Can your friends do this? Can your friends do that? Look at that. Can your friends hold this out their little hand? Can your friends go, woo? Well, looky here. Can your friends go abracadabra, let it rip, and then make the sucker disappear? Job, you big nabob, you ain't never had a friend like me.
His hair looks funny.
I say, Captain, do you hear something? No. You like codfish? Are you saying you can be?
Beautiful.
deal with me and all the powers of my imagination!
So beautiful. Tiana's Palace looks so beautiful. But they need to switch up the menu, bring something new. Anyways, I think that's gonna just about do it. Thank you for joining me. Had an amazing time. All the food was amazing. All of it. And it was priced pretty good too. Anyways, thank you for joining me. And see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.